Alright, let's look at going in reverse thinking. Let's write the equations of a couple of graphs. In number 6, write the equation of the graph shown. We've got to recognize that this is a square root graph. So that means our general form is going to look like the following. So we need to determine what HK is and of course find A. Well, HK is represented by this point. So our HK is 1, 4. Now to find A, we need to pick another point on our graph. So it looks like this is a full point. On a quiz, we'll make sure we'll mark what we mean to be a full point. So there shouldn't be any confusion on that. Okay, so I'm going to plug in. So the coordinates for that point is 2, 2. So x is 2 and y is 2. And I'm going to plug in everything I have here and find A. So 2 is equal to A, square root of x, which is 2, minus 1, plus 4. Alright, I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. And so I'm going to get negative 2 is equal to, the square root of 2 minus 1 is 1a. So that's telling me that a is negative 2. Alright, so now I have everything I need to plug in to have the equation for my function. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing for number 7, but this time I need to recognize this is a cube root. So the general form of a cube root, alright, here this point is going to represent my HK, which is negative 1, negative 3. And I need another point on the graph. I'm going to use this one, which would be 0, negative 4. Alright, so H, K, X, and Y. Same sort of math here. I'm going to plug in everything I know. Now this is minus and negative 1, minus 3. Alright, I'm going to add 3 to both sides and get negative 1 is equal to A. This is going to give me the cube root of 1, which is 1. So I'm going to get negative 1 is equal to 1a. So a is equal to negative 1. So my equation is going to be f of x is equal to negative, I don't have to write the 1, the cube root of x minus a negative 1, which makes it plus 1 minus 3.